Hey, it's Todd Alton. Welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is shareholder. Shareholder is exactly what it sounds like. You own shares in a particular company. In order to be a shareholder, you have to have at least one share. Some people used to give out certificates as shareholders. Let's say Disney, for example. They wanted their kids to have a share of Disney, and Disney used to have the characters on the shareholder certificate. So Disney used to have a lot of one-lot shareholders where they buy one share of Disney, they'd order out their certificate, and they'd give it to their kids, right? Put it on the wall. But the most important thing to understand is that being a shareholder means you're an owner of a business. Now, if you own more than 50% of that, logically you're considered to be the majority shareholder. If you own less than 50%, you're considered to be a minority shareholder. Back to a previous definition, depending on the class of securities you own, you could be a minority shareholder, but with majority vote. Being a shareholder is an important part of the economy, an important part of the world, and really a big thing about wealth creation. Owning shares is important in the capitalist society. It's part of how we finance businesses. Years ago, when railroads were starting, they issued a lot of shares to shareholders to raise capital to build those very expensive railroads. They've done this recently. Over the last 10 years, Elon Musk has been issuing shares and raising money from private investors in SpaceX with the hope that they'll go public someday. Today's word is shareholder, an important part of the US economy, the global economy, and you're probably a shareholder in something you don't even know about today in your 401k, your IRA. Shareholders are an important part and the owners of corporate America. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.